Yo, first order of the day. This is a Black Rock coffee, $8, going just under 4 miles.
There's that for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Got this order as I was leaving. This is on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Muchas Gracias going 7 miles. Total for that order was $11. Not bad. Got this right away. It is a stacked McDonald's going 4.5 miles. We're in a RV park, and I don't see any numbers for any of these spots, so that's nice. How am I supposed to know where I'm going? Okay, yeah, there's like no numbers here. Wait, I think I see a map, maybe. Oh, there's a map. Should be on the left. Should be right there. On to the next one. Delivery instructions are important. Please read. Oh my goodness, that's a whole paragraph. My dogs are not friendly. Okay, maybe I will read this. Okay, that was simple enough. He basically just told me to drive straight ahead and leave the food next to the black fence. Total for those two was just under $13, okay? That's actually really good. Been about 10 minutes, but the next order just came in. This is a Krispy Kreme going 5.5 miles. Lobby closed.
Welcome to Krispy Kreme. What can I get for you?
I'm really sorry. You're like 45 minutes early from when that order was scheduled to fire. I'm out of 2 of the donuts for it. They're literally working on making them. If you have like 5 minutes, I can expedite them and try to get like the 2 done super fast, or I can replace them with whatever they would like.
I can wait, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me just a couple minutes. I'll be getting them together as fast as I can, okay?
Yep, no problem, thank you. I mean, it's a Krispy Kreme. They're most likely not gonna tip, so I might as well get all the pay that I can out of it. Thank you. Oh, there was actually a tip on that. Not amazing, but there was a tip. Total for that was $13. Next order up is a Starbucks, $10, going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $11, going 6 miles, 5 items. You know what that would be?
If we had any, they'd be over tender. No, right now we just have bananas.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you. Bro, they don't have this either. Okay. Yeah, we're not doing this one. 3 out of 5 items out of stock. We're just not going to bother with that. Am I now being punished for not trying to figure out that order? Because it's been 15 minutes since that last order. Oh, they got jokes. Next order up is a Donut Nook going 9 miles.
How long did they, I mean, they certainly wouldn't last a whole shift.
Oh, that was a no tip. Gotcha. Like, it's a donut shop. There are plenty much closer. Shout out to them for wasting my time. Total for that was $8. What are we doing? They just tried to give me a Taco Bell going 13 miles. Yeah, let me just drive 13 miles to get you your Taco Bell. Like, no, what? Oh my goodness. I guess we're doing this one. Next up is a red leaf coffee. This one's going 7 miles.
Welcome in. Sophie, there you go. Did you make this?
Thank you.
What is it? Caramel?
Hello, for Rosanna.
Food.
Total for that one was just under $8. And not getting orders again. I'm just gonna go home. This is dumb. I'm over it. Current time is 9:17. Total is $79, which is not terrible, but like, at what cost? My sanity? I don't know. Let's just go home. Actually, have a couple kitty clips. Starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Yeah, I've got Shane. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Total for that was $5 and change. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going 2.5 miles.
We'll get Jack in the Box open it for you.
Thank you. Total for that one was $5 and change. Pretty much the same order. I mean, I've already had 2 really bad orders, so why not make it worse? This order is going across the river. Got a Black Rock coffee going like 8 miles. So this better pay out at least $16 to make it worth it. Reagan?
Yes, all for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Didn't see you there. Yep. You too. Got that over with finally. Total for that was $10, so yeah, not worth it. Who would have thunk? Made it back into my zone and got this order. This is a McDonald's going 6 miles. It says, please do not knock or ring doorbell. Your service is very appreciated. That's gonna be a no tip. I can feel it already. Oh, you are funny. Funny. Total for that was $4. 10-cent tip, by the way. I feel so appreciated right now. Oh my goodness. What is this? Jack in the Box going 2 miles. Sure.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hand to customer. Oh boy. I know where this is going, actually. This is a no tip. I love my life. No tip. $3, by the way. Very nice. Next up is a McDonald's going 3 miles. Okay, finally a decent order. Total for that one was $7 and change. Okay, so one decent order and then nothing for the next 20 minutes. Gotcha. All right, time to go home. I'll just slap this with another segment and call it a day. Current time is 7:51. No. Current time is 7:52. Total is 36. Amazing. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.